Have you ever wondered how someone making over $100,000 a year can still be completely broke? It sounds crazy, but in America, this happens every single day. People get higher salaries, but somehow still live paycheck to paycheck. And the reason is simpler than most people think. It's not because they don't make enough money, it's because they don't understand how money actually works. The moment most people get a raise, they upgrade their lifestyle. They move into a bigger apartment, they finance a newer car. They start eating out more often, they buy expensive clothes, more subscriptions, more monthly payments, and slowly, their expenses rise just as fast as their income. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest financial traps in America today. The average person thinks, if I make more money, my problems disappear. But in reality, higher income without financial discipline only creates bigger financial mistakes. That's why someone earning $50,000 can become wealthy, while someone making $200,000 stays broke. Because wealth is not built by income alone, it's built by habits. Now here's what rich people do differently. Instead of spending every extra dollar, they buy assets. Assets are things that put money back into your pocket. Stocks, ETFs, businesses, real estate, investments that grow over time. While most people spend their money trying to look rich, wealthy people invest their money to become rich. That's the difference. Poor people buy liabilities. Rich people buy income-producing assets. And the craziest part? Time matters more than income. A person investing $500 every month starting at age 20 can end up with more wealth than someone investing $2,000 a month starting at 40. Why? Because compound interest is powerful. Money grows faster when you give it more time. This is why financially smart people focus on long-term investing, not quick money, not gambling, not chasing luxury, just consistency. And honestly, social media makes this problem even worse. Every day, people see influencers showing luxury cars, designer clothes, private jets, expensive vacations, and it creates pressure. Pressure to spend money they don't actually have. So the next time you get paid, ask yourself one question. Will this money make me look rich or actually become rich? Because that single decision can completely change your future.